ko because I was trying to find a brigade where I could take off. Pati yung convoy ko, inambos nila. Wala naman sila makuha kasi Porboro armored yun eh. And they had the goal to lie. Minasingga nila yung ng M16, din nila matalab-talaban. So, if they want to mar, you just wait until after Marawi. We can better deal with you. But I will stop the practice of, there has to be something, the police must have something there na yung tawagan lang sila tapos they make the required assistance or response tapos pinapatay lang ng hindi ganon. So I have to increase the number of staff